blushing right now. But I look so good in blue. Hello, welcome back. So today's video will be dedicated to brows. So today I'm going to be using the Got To Be Ultra Glued styling gel, and I'm just going to be taking this Microbrow pencil. I usually use the one from NYX. This is my mom's. I ran out, so I just took hers. So I'm just going to put a little dot on my the back of my hand. The point of this is because I have very curly hair on my brows, so it's hard to like lay down product as my hair lifts. It just won't look flat. It just won't look cute, to be honest. And I tend to put more product on my brow because of that, and it kind of makes it look harsh. So I'm just gonna basically like press it, and whatever like excess or residual glue that comes off of me brushing it, I just brush off of the back of my hand. Then I'm just gonna wait for it to dry before I start applying any product. I'm just gonna be taking the Morphe Microbrow pencil after my brows are dried, and I'm just going to line the bottom. And again, this leaves a type of residue, so be careful, because like if you brush too hard, it might flake. Then I'm going to do the bottom, or not the bottom, but the tail of my brow. So this, and just connect those two parts. So I'm just gonna, go along with the natural, not the natural, but the way I flicked it with the spoolie. I'm just gonna go along that type of, how do you say, those type of lines.
Hi, I'm Millie.
Now remember, this is gel, y'all, so like you really have to be careful, because if you're gonna flick your brow or set it in a way, you have to make sure it's the way you want, because this dries down really quickly. I think I'm kind of satisfied with it. You're just gonna be blending in the line you made in the front, because you don't want like a harsh brow. I mean, there are times where like when I do take pictures and everything, my brows do look harsh, but we're gonna try not to do that. We're gonna improve, we're gonna perfect, we're gonna be a better version of our last selves, because it's all about this damn part of my lace. My closure. Yeah, we're here to grow. That's basically my brows, you guys. Like, I really like the whole natural feather type of look, you feel me? But oh my god, I can wear this like every day, to be honest, and I feel like it'd be totally fine. What do you guys think? How do you feel about this brow tutorial? It's really short, but it's cute and simple. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.